Hey guys, it's me Ronan and welcome back to my channel! What's up nerds? So, kumusta naman kayo ngayon? How you guys doing? I hope you're doing fine. I hope you're doing okay. I hope na peaceful naman yung lahat and you're relaxed. You don't have any anxiety attack. You don't have any panic attack today or yesterday or kahit bukas. So, life update guys. So, I just celebrated my birthday. So, I feel so old. But it's okay, ganun talaga, di ba? And, ano bang pinagagawa ko? Wala naman kasi masyadong ganap. Nag-dinner lang kami with my partner and my friends. So, ganun lang. And then, eto pala. So, first challenge ko for this year, we went out hiking, no? Climbing, whatever you want to call it. So, pumunta kaming Taal via Mount Tabaro. No? So, you know what guys, this is really a challenge for me because the last time I went hiking or climbing was when I was in elementary. So, ang tagal-tagal na nun, I was still young. Batang-bata pa po talaga ako. I was in high school or elementary nga. So, with my friends, my childhood friends, nung bata pa kami. So, yun. Ano naman yun? That was in Bukidnon. We climb Muswan Peak. Kasi yun yung pinaka-famous attraction dun sa town namin. So, yun. During those time, very matarik pa talaga yung Muswan Peak kasi wala pa siyang trail. So, talagang akyatan talaga yung labanan. But as far as I know now, meron na siyang mga trail. So, just in case, gusto niyo pumunta ng Bukidnon, ng Valencia City, makikita niyo yun siya doon. Yun. So, mga hikers doon. So, I think for now, very, ano na siya, yung parang commercial. Hindi na siya talaga for beginners na siya, yung Muswan Peak. Anyway, so yun na nga, pumunta kami ng Taal, and then umakyat kami. Nakita ko yung crater, and then very mahangin. Pwede ka actually maligo doon sa crater kasi I think may health benefits siya, especially may mga kati-kati sa katawan and whatever. So, pero hindi ako naligo kasi I feel so tired dun sa hiking pa lang, sa climbing. Ang haba-haba po ng nilakad namin, paakyat, pababa, and then umakyat kami dun sa Mount Tabaro ba yun? I know kung yun yung talaga yung passion mo na hikers ka talaga, mountaineers or whatever, I think for beginners pa lang yung inakyat namin, no? But for me, since hindi naman ako umaakyat, I'm more of a beach person. Talagang grabe. So, talagang yung endurance na talagang talagang nasubukan talaga yung endurance ko. Pero okay naman, worth it naman. Sobrang na-check ko na yung bucket list na yun. Okay na nasubukan ko na. So, I'm not sure if I'm going to try it again. Ang sakit-sakit ngayon ng balakang ko, ng hita ko, ng binti ko, ng buong katawan ko. But it's okay kasi nakapag-exercise naman yung katawan. So, okay lang yun. And at the same time, talagang it's good for my anxiety to breathe a very fresh air. Nakita mo yung buong Taal, and then side trip kami sa Tagaytay para kumain ng bulalo. Sarap. Yun, so yun naman yung mga nangyari sa akin lately. So how about you guys? Ano naman yung pinagkakaabalahan niyo? I hope na okay lang kayo. Wala namang mga anxiety or panic attack. So of course, yun lang yung update. So right now, what we're going to talk about is of course anything related to anxiety, right? So sabi ko last video na I'm going to share to you something that I've been doing to help me with my anxiety. And siguro marami sa inyo ginagamit na rin ito, marami sa inyo mayroon nakasubok na rin ito. But right now I am trying essential oils. Dun, 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 dun. Yes. Yung mga essential oils na mga organic ha, yung mga natural essential oils, hindi yung mga ano, yung mga, may mga preservative nang nakalagay. I'm not going to ano na lang to mention any brands kasi maraming essential oils out there, but this particular brand na mabibili mo siya online, or I think may store na yata dito, I'm not sure. But anyway, may nag-recommend lang sa akin dito at nagustuhan ko siya kasi hindi naman kailangan bilhin mo yung lahat ng mga oils. Importante lang is yung, for me ha, yung oils na sa akin is yung it helps me with my anxiety. You can research it online kasi marami namang brand ng essential oils online, and then subukan mo kung ano yung mas mura, ano yung mas swak sa budget mo. Etong particular na brand ito, medyo expensive siya, but so far it works for me. With the one that I'm using right now is actually called here. It's called Geranium Essential Oils. If you're going to research it online, yung geranium oils, ano talaga siya, nakaka-help siya sa yung mental health mo, your anxiety, nakakababa siya ng anxiety level. At marami pa siyang ibang mga benefits. So, about sa skin, or sa, I think sa sinuses, meron din ako. Actually, it helps siya for me. Nasubukan ko talaga siya. Ang ginagawa ko lang is pinapatak ko siya dito konti, and then i-rub mo siya, and then you inhale it. And then yun, nakakatulong siya sa akin, nakakababa ng anxiety ko, especially bago matulog, no? Or especially pag may attack ako in the morning, nalagay ko siya, and then yung mind ko the rest of the day is very very clear, and hindi akong nagkakaroon ng atake. Guys, excuse me, medyo maingay yung background ko kasi yung mga kapitbahay sa baba. Wala kasi akong ano, yung ginagamit ko kasi na camera, wala siyang built-in na ano. Hindi mo siya malalagyan actually ng microphone. No? So, hindi ko nagagamitan ng boya ba tawag doon, para to cancel the noise. Anyway, so yun, this is what I'm actually using almost every day. Sorry guys, I'm all over the place, no? Medyo na-excite lang ako nito na mag-share. Kasi talagang nag-work siya sa akin, at talagang ginagamit ko siya lagi. Ito, nilipat ko na lang siya dito so I can carry it in my bag. Yung sa kit ko, everywhere. And then, yung sa bahay na nakalagay lang is, I have this lavender essential oil. Ito guys, helps me with sleeping, especially kung meron kayong mga ang tawag doon, insomnia, because of anxiety. Ito, nakakatulong to. Ganun din, nirarab ko siya dito, and then nilalagay ko siya dito, nirarab ko siya, inhale ko siya. Ayun, wala, knockout ka na. Knockout na ako the entire time pag matutulog. Sarap ng tulog ko kasi nakakatulong talaga to sa pagtulog. Ito lang yung normal na ginagamit kong dalawa so far, at talagang super effective siya for me, no? But I think, I'm not sure, baka depende din sa katawan nyo, but sinishare ko lang na talagang umepekto to sa akin yung mga essential oils na to. At the same time guys, let's say hindi nyo siya gusto na i-inhale, pero mas very effective siya pag i-inhale, you can actually use a diffuser. When I say diffuser guys, yung ganito, saglit lang, I'll be right back. Here, when you say diffuser, yung ganito, may ilalagay nyo siya dito, and then uusok siya, ma-feel nyo yung usok, tapos iba din yung purifier no? Iba din yung purifier kasi tinry ko siya, hindi siya masyadong effective. Pero pag nilagay mo siya dito, talagang umuusok siya, tapos yung buong room nyo, parang naano ka na rin, na malalanghap mo na rin siya. Then also it helps na para bumango yung buong room at the same time. So this is good. Yon. So the other thing that I have is peppermint ito yung pag may parang nahihilo ka, nakakatulong yan. And then I also have lemon. Pwede nyo i-research to guys. So, isin-share ko lang. Hindi ko na kailangan isa-isahin pa kung ano yung mga benefits nila. Kasi you can actually research it online. And then you can see it kung ano yung talaga yung kailangan mo. Or yung para sa inyo. Diba? So, and then, may mga price ranges din kasi online. Na makikita mo doon. Kasi yung sa akin medyo mahal ito. Pero sige na, ginaw na para bongga matry lang. So far, I'm so happy that it worked for me. Ito yung pinaka-favorite ko, yung geranium, kasi it helps me with anxiety talaga. Hindi na ako lately nagkakaroon ng mga attacks, at yung mga attacks ko naman, hindi na ganun kagrabe because of this. Nakakatulong talaga siya for me. No? So, yun lang naman yung isi-share ko for this particular video about essential oils, kung gaano sila nakakatulong din with your health. Marami siyang actually health benefits, guys. Hindi lang ito sa anxiety ha, but marami siya actually health benefits. Yung iba pa nga, minimix nila yung essential oils para kung ano man yung mga, yung iba may mga may naka-cure ng breast cancer, whatever. But of course, depende na rin yun sa inyo. Hindi kasi nila actually pinopromote na na gamot siya or whatever. Diba? Parang lang din siya, therapeutic kemerot barurot. But it actually helped. The geranium is very helpful. Hindi ako makapagsalita. It's very helpful for me. So, yun lang naman guys. Thank you so much. If you like this video, if you like this topic, then kung nakatulong man ito sa inyo yung mga video na ginagawa ko regarding anxiety, please comment down below and let me know. And share din kayo sa mga technique niyo kung paano niyo nilalabanan yung anxiety issues ninyo. Comment niyo dun below para at least mabasa din naman ng iba. And also, please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends na may anxiety issues, and give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much. This is my video for this week. So hopefully next week I'll think about something else na could help us with our anxiety issues. So thank you for your support. So hanggang dito na lang yung video na to. I hope nakatulong sa inyo, and thank you for your support. And of course, always remember to choose life, to choose happiness, and don't forget to smile. Bye guys!